tafadhalini hawa vijana na kinadada wachanga ambao mmepata uongozi, jiheshimu, kuwa marafiki, muongoze community yetu ili tupate maendeleo na tuheshimiane, ndio tusukume county yetu mbele. Your Excellency, I'm not happy. There is too much violence in Kisii. There is too much noise in Kisii. You know, when people are making noise, they don't work. I want to plead you to intervene on our behalf. Talk to this team, because most of them are in your UDA. Some of them are with us in ODM. I have listened to what Japhet Ogamba has said. I have listened to what some of the leaders are saying. Mheshimiwa Arati, talk to your leaders. Guide your people. You are the leader now, whether we like it or not. So pick your ball, run with it, call the players you want, play. If you score, fine. If you lose the game, out of the game. Next time will be somebody else. My brother, we may disagree on principle, but I don't disagree with you personally. I respect you. You notice I never talk about you. I pray that God touches your heart so that these people who have been praying for us, I hope you listened to the prayers they made. Can we learn to forgive each other and learn to work with each other? Because we are children of the same mother. Mwanyagetinge. Bagusimba nyago iteramanyinga. Yekolete gesiomba. Simba, togambere tuanchire. Buna tuanchire William atogambere. Mono inkike ko chanda lende ya umwishio. Kata ninje na ko edo bogambe. Your Excellency, I told Arati to come to State House and talk to you, and he can come with me. Second issue. Abarai ba minto bagusi. Bono igomo gambi tobuato tenene se serikali yo Mheshimiwa William Ruto no mugako yo machogu. Mota koligania toikaranse tobuato mugako yo toboli Simba toboli aba MCA togende State House ye President Rato nyenyere eri tata turali eri. Gosebono Nyoroki angonga na bere igo. Nyoroki nande barore. Your Excellency, you can see. My last point is, you know, I respect you, I'm with you. My job is to oversight you. Like now, you came 3 months ago, one road is done, tick. You came for a funeral, tick. Today you are in a church service, tick. I'll continue